आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे प्रकाश झा की लेटेस्ट डायरेक्टोरियल परीक्षा के बारे में। A rickshaw puller named Bucci works day and night tirelessly while his wife works at a utensil factory till her hands bleed. Why? Because they dream of their son securing a seat in the high-end school where Bucci drops off children every morning on his rickshaw. The son studies in a government school where teachers don't arrive on time and it's absolute mayhem in terms of school ethics. Bucci tries hard to ensure that his son gets admitted to the desired institution, but his dreams suffer continuous roadblocks. डायरेक्टर ने फास्ट पेस स्टोरी टेलिंग के जरिए एक ऐसी कहानी को दिखाया है जिसे महसूस किया जा सकता है। ये सिर्फ एक कहानी नहीं बल्कि बढ़ती सोशल इनइक्वालिटी की तरफ आपका ध्यान खींचती है। सोशल और फाइनेंशियल मुश्किलों के पहाड़ का बोझ इस देश की गरीब आवाम को किस कदर तोड़ देती है, जानने के लिए ये फिल्म देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। इरफान खान एंड सबा कमर स्टारर हिंदी मीडियम ने भी इसी इशू को हाईलाइट किया था, बट द जॉनरा दे चोज वाज अ लाइट हार्टेड कॉमेडी। ऑन द अदर हैंड, परीक्षा इज अ बोल्डर एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर वर्जन ऑफ इट that lingers in your heart for a long time. There are scenes where Prakash Jha captures the plight of daily wage workers in such a way that will make you very emotional. For instance, Bucci's wife, despite being unwell, can't afford to miss her work for one day because she fears a pay cut. In another scene, Bucci's son, even after passing the entrance test to get into the English medium school, gets bullied by his classmates and is constantly reminded that he is a son of a petty rickshaw puller. The film takes recourse to emotionally demonstrative methods to convey the desperation and anguish of the characters where they cling to the hope of an unforeseeable change. सिर्फ पढ़ाई करो तभी हम इस नर्क से बाहर निकल पाएंगे, says Bucci to his son Bulbul. Right from that moment, the film strikes an instant chord. Despite its theme, the film also dwells on a moral booster in the form of Sanjay Suri playing a high-rank officer, and whose role has been inspired from a real-life IPS officer, Abhayanand Singh. The screenplay is slightly flawed, with a couple of moments that are questionable on moral grounds. The editing is crisp, and the 100-minute runtime keeps the narrative unstretched. Adil Hussain is an actor that hasn't been utilized to his full potential. Thankfully, he bagged this role and he plays his part to perfection. The major shift he had to undergo of sacrificing his ideals keeps you wanting for more of his splendid performance. Priyanka Bose plays Radhika and successfully supports Hussain while playing a character that has a range of emotions. Shubham Jha, the child actor, delivers a confident performance too. The casting of local actors with a natural Bihari accent proves to be a very good move. Sanjay Suri also draws a convincing portrait of an officer working for a change in the society. Overall, Pariksha is a film that one should not miss, especially today in the light of classes going online in our country, where a major part of the population have no access to internet. Prakash Jha is back, and this time he doesn't talk about mainstream politics, but emphasizes on the politics of caste, class, and social disparity. My rating for Pariksha would be 3.5 out of 5 stars. It is now streaming on ZEE5. That's it for today. Please like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment about the movies and shows you want me to review. Thank you.